Today's question: how do I make a Windows 10 installation USB drive? Firstly, we are going to make a USB drive that contains a copy of Windows 10. Once you have one of these, it lets you either install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on a new computer, upgrade Windows 7 and 8 to Windows 10, upgrade Windows 10 to the latest version, or repair problems with Windows 10. To do this, we will download a tool from the Microsoft website. This tool will download the latest copy of Windows 10, and then use this to make a bootable USB drive. You are going to need a Windows computer with a good internet connection and a blank USB stick. I recommend using an 8GB USB stick. Amazon link provided in the description. If your USB stick contains any files, make sure you copy them to somewhere safe on your computer. I have tried to make this tutorial as accurate as possible, however, please remember that Microsoft releases new tools twice a year. So it is possible it could change. However, this guide still should get you through. First of all, plug in your USB stick. Ignore any messages that appear. Open your web browser and search for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. You should find a search result that should take you to Microsoft.com. I included the address in the description for this video. On the web page, look for Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click Download Tool now. Run the tool. Wait for the tool to load. Accept the terms. Now, wait again. Choose the option to create the installation media. Then click Next. It's a good idea to make a USB drive that works on other computers as well as your own, so untick the box to use the recommended options. For language, you can change this here if you need to. Architecture, change this to both. Now click Next. On this screen, you can leave USB flash drive selected. Click Next. You should see your USB drive if it's plugged in. Click on it once, then click Next. Wait for Windows 10 to be downloaded. It takes a while. After that, there is another wait while the USB drive is being prepared. When it is finished creating your USB drive, you can click Finish and unplug your USB drive. So how do you use the installation USB? If you're upgrading your Windows to the latest version, plug the USB drive in and then open File Explorer. Find the USB drive and double-click Setup. Then follow the instruction on the screen. But if you want to erase everything on your computer and install a fresh copy of Windows 10, you need to turn off your computer, plug in your USB drive, and then boot the computer from your USB drive. Every computer is different, so check your instructions. Any questions about computers, internet and technology, you can ask me. Leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe, share and like.